the surface area of a cone. Okay, this is a bit more.
Oh no, I hate it.
The surface area of a cone equals 24 pi. And I realized by looking at this that they mean the lateral area and the base also when they say surface area of the base. So if the radius of the cone is 3, this is 3, what is the height of the cone? Okay, so the next step, what we do here, we have to find to explain how is the area. So it's the base, area of the base, plus the lateral area. What is the area of the base if we know the radius?
It is going to be 9 pi.
9 pi. Okay, plus the lateral area, which is, we have to open the cone like this. What is this in this case?
Oh, that's the circumference.
The circumference of the circle. We just open it. And how much is the circumference? 6 pi, 2 pi r, right? Times the slant. That's what they call the slant. It's not the height. It's this oblique line from the vertex to here. And we don't know how much is that. But we can find it. Let's say it's an x over 2. Sorry, I forgot. So it's like a triangle. This base times the slant over 2. That's the area of the lateral area. So the whole thing is 24 pi. We know that. So we can find the x very easily, I assume. So this is going to be 3 here. So then we have 9 pi plus x pi, let's say, equals 24 pi. Let's divide everything by pi, so we get rid of it. So it's going to be 9 plus x equals 24, if we divide pi on the left and on the right. Okay, so now x will be, move the n on the other side, minus 24 minus n is 15. So this is the slant, this is 15, this is 15. Now we need a height. Okay, so we have a right triangle here. We know this is 3 and this is 15. So they want the height. And we apply what?
Pythagoras.
Okay, that's the one. So we have 3, and this is the hypotenuse. So let's say this is an x, another x. Let's say h, not x. Okay, so these are the legs of the right triangle. That means 3 squared, 9, plus h squared equals 15 squared, right? 225. H squared is 225 minus 9. Okay, so that's 216. Now apply a radical on both sides and we get h equals square root of 216. I wonder if we can simplify that. Divide by 4. Yeah, we can divide that by 4. We'll have square root of 4 times square root of 54, I think, right?
Yeah, that's exactly.
And this can be divided also by 2. Let's see. Okay, so that will be square root of 4 is 2. And here we get 54 can be made like 27 times 2. And square root of 27, I was wrong. So it's square root of 9. 27 is 9 times 3, which is times 2 is 6. So we can get out the square root of 9, which is 3 times square root of 6. So anyway, the height is 6 times square root of 6. We will be careful with this kind of stuff because we'll have, potential answers, but you have to make sure you can find the right one if it's presented like this. So you should brush on your radical stuff.
I need to. I asked Cornelia for help.
Okay. Let's say number 3. This was a bit more difficult.